Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Stoneboy ignites Negril with Electric Dream Weekend debut. On Tuesday, the Caribbean's largest VIP festival experience closed out its sweet 16th anniversary in Negril with a highly anticipated Igloo event headlined by Ghanaian artist Stoneboy and the 3-9 god Jamal. Speaking with E Prime, the Afro Dancehall artist shared his thoughts on his Dream Weekend debut, his third performance in Jamaica.
It gives me a lot of joy to be representing for the whole of Africa, like I did, showing the versatility that we have as Africans, and loving music of black origin like reggae and dancehall. And I put it together and I call it Afro Dancehall. They film it, the Afro Beats Dancehall. So you don't know, they were loving the vibe, you could see that.
Quella, who made a surprise cameo, responded to the warm reception from the crowd.
A good feeling, man, you see me? Because we see people in my react anywhere we pull up there.
Meanwhile, Briscoe, who also made an appearance, praised the party series for bringing nightlife to Negril.
You see, this what Dream Weekend do for Negril is so tremendous because, Kingston, them party all night, them see celebrities all night. So obviously, places like here, where it's only a once in a moment opportunity, them are going to give you a once in a moment reception.
I was in disbelief, says Shensia, as she recalls collaborating with Mariah Carey. Last month, American R&B legend Mariah Carey released her highly anticipated track, Sugar Sweet, featuring Jamaican DJ Shensia and American singer Kehlani from her forthcoming album Here For It All, which is set for release this September. Speaking recently on Fame 95, Shensia shared her reaction when her team broke the news of the collaboration.
At first, I thought my team was joking, like maybe it's something that I'm going to do, but it's not really real. And if I'm being honest, that was my first expectation, but I did it nonetheless, and to my surprise, it actually made the album.
The Shengyang boss also said it was important to stay true to herself while working with a multi-Grammy award-winning icon.
I wanted to really keep things authentic because it would create the contrast of such an iconic R&B singer. So my culture really inspired the flow, and yeah, so did the Gizada line. We're talking about sweets. So sweet like a gizada. She further revealed that while it's unclear if a music video will be shot for the track, she encouraged Mariah to consider filming it in Jamaica if the thought ever crossed her mind. Several prominent figures from the entertainment industry are set to receive the Order of Distinction. Kevin Downsell will be conferred with the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for his contribution to gospel music, both locally and internationally. Etana will also receive the honor for her contribution to reggae music. They're joined by Clevie Brownie for his work in music production, and Owen Franklin George, who is being honored for his role in the development of Jamaican popular music, including ska, mento, and rocksteady. Garnet Silk will be posthumously awarded the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for his contribution to reggae music. Lloyd King Jammy James, record producer, studio engineer, and talent scout, will be upgraded from officer to commander of the Order of Distinction for his outstanding contribution to Jamaican music industry and his innovation in reggae and dancehall. In total, 141 honors and awards will be presented at this year's National Heroes and Awards ceremony in October. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Be safe. Thank you for watching.